start the tear down of it. Dad's already got some engine stuff loose. We're gonna strip the engine, electrical, plumbing, windows. Not really all the finish fab, we'll leave all that on there. Witcher will take it when we're done over to the surface plate with suspension on it. We're mocked up, fit the nose, fit all the body panels. So we'll leave suspension intact, but everything else as far as fluids can come out, oil lines, brake lines. If we want to take the calipers off or just get the brake lines off, you know, whatever, just see how it goes here as we start tearing down. There's 3 carts, sort of separate them out by area there. That way we're not just piling a bunch of stuff on top of each other. Just pay attention to the paint as you're tearing it apart as far as the chassis paint, so we're not obliterating it. The exterior will get sanded and painted and all that body work redone. Protect stuff so it doesn't get scratched in case we're reusing it. We haven't really determined what we're reusing, what we're making new. All right, gas her up. He's got a lot of pictures, but if you see something that you want taken a picture of, just grab Chris and say, take some pictures in here. If we take the hood off, let's just take it off, Ryan. There's no sense in even getting in the middle of it and fighting it.
What were you doing in 1991?
I wasn't even born.
What were you doing in 91?
I was in high school.
In 91, I was working on in a garage for my uncle, building, working on cars. You probably watched the race Sunday afternoon. We did every Sunday. That was ritual. You get out of church at 12 o'clock and go watch the race. My dad was the pastor, see, so we did the Benedict on time, so that way we got out on time.
The best part about this dynamic is the big guy's nickname is Tiny, and the tiny guy's nickname, well, he doesn't have one yet.
Big guy.
Standard up. A lot of our bubbles to get the headers fast.
Double-sided tape, silicone. It was put in to stay, evidently, for a little while.
I was going to ask you what you were doing in 1991.
I'll have to look at the calendar. I think we were racing at Orange County, Bush City. We were winning championships, as Dale Inman would say.
Now watch, I'm gonna tell you why. Because this is a stock cylinder head.
Okay.
So the stock cylinder head, the port was only this big. So the bolts are that close together, right?
Yeah.
So in racing, they started grinding it out bigger and bigger and bigger. Well, guess what? The bolt holes were never moved, so all of a sudden the tube gets really close.
Okay.
Like the new racing ones, they move the bolt holes further out, and they can make the hole bigger.
Yeah.
But basically, that's because you started with a factory manifold.
That makes sense, Thad.
Yeah, it makes sense.
And then
Because the race cars I worked on, they were easier to get on and off.
That's safe.
Yep. It really holds you in, huh?
You know what's about to happen, don't you?
No.
might have already tapped on that.
Grant, what were you doing in 91?
Wasn't even a thought.
Not even a thought. How does that make you feel?
Yeah, since I was in high school. Old.
Coney.